In today's video, how to fix Facebook not working. To fix Facebook when it is not working, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to ensure your connection is stable. Restart app, close Facebook completely from your recent apps list, and open it again. Restart your device. Turn your phone completely off and back on. Clear the app cache, hold the Facebook icon then tap on App Info. Next tap Storage and Cache then tap on Clear Data, then tap on Clear Cache, tap OK to continue. Update app. Visit the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. In the search bar type Facebook and any update available, update to install the latest version. Finally, reinstall the app, delete the app from your device, and download it fresh from your App Store. After doing these all steps, fix your not working issue. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.